Springs, light up the world. Springs, find your way to move on. Much, there's a twinkling star.
Okay, children, listen to me. Okay, shall we plant today? Yes? Say yes. Yes, okay, now this is our garden tour, okay? Listen to me. This is our garden tour, okay? What is this? Garden tour. Can you please repeat? Say garden tour. This is our? Yes. Okay, who likes flower now? You like flower? Who likes flower? Raise your hand. Who likes flowers? Okay, that's very good. Jashvika, you like flower? Yes? Okay, now shall we plant? Okay, ma'am, please give me one seed. Okay, we are going to, this is soil, mud. What is this? This is soil. Very good. Okay, shall we plant? Okay. Take this, put it here. Wait, I'll come. Take. Put here. Sprinkle it, just sprinkle it. Okay, sprinkle. Oh, that's very good. This. Here. Very good. I'll give you. I'll come back to you. Okay, this is Yahia's plant. All of you clap for Yahia. Very good. Water. Okay, next. Who's this? What's your name? Hania. Okay, where is Honey's seed? Please give me, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Honey, take. Sprinkle it here. What is this? This is soil. Say soil. Yes, very good. Soil. Okay, put here. Just plant. Bend down, bend. Okay, now put. Yes, that's very good. You stand. Wait, I'm coming. Wait. Okay, this is Jashvika Shri. Where is Jashvika's seeds? Thank you. Jashvika, you like plant? Yes? You like flowers? Yes or no? Say yes. Take. No, you've done. Bend down. This is soil. What is this? Soil. What is this? Say soil. Yes, it's a soil. Springs. Look down. Take. Okay, very good. Stand. Jaslyn. Where's Jaslyn's seed? Okay, I'll give it to you. You're next. Jaslyn, this is soil. What is this? Soil. Okay, take. Sprinkle it here. Sprinkle. Okay, take. Sprinkle. This one. Okay. Sprinkle. That's very good. Where's Lakshan's? Thank you. Lakshan, what is this? Soil. Very good. Take. Sprinkle here. Oh, that's very good. Here. Very good. Okay, next. Pranita. Prani, what is this? This is soil. Okay, so we are going to put this seed into the soil. Okay. Now put. Sprinkle. Bend little. Bend. Okay, good. Slowly. Do it like this. Slowly. Okay, very good. This is Shanvi. Where's Shanvi's? Shanvi got a little seeds. Okay, where's Shanvi?
Lakshan, come here. Don't go. Come here.
Shanvi, what is this? This is soil. Okay. Put this. Bend little. Put it down. Very good. Okay. Now, where is Ashmita? Okay, Ashmita, what is this? This is called soil. Okay, what are you going to do now? You're going to spread this into the soil. Okay? Yeah. We'll put bit of water. Okay, then only it can go inside. Okay, wait. I'll show you, then you copy me. Okay, put your hand like this. Take bit of water, just sprinkle it. Okay, show me your hand. Okay, enough. Put. Very good. That's very beautiful. Show me your hand. Okay, good. Okay. Prani, show me your hand. Put it here. Oh, that's very good.
Honey,
Lakshan.
stand there. Go and stand.
Put it here. Very good.
Okay, go and stand there.
Jaslyn. Okay, put some water. Okay.
Honey, come.
Jashvika.
Honey, come here.
Okay. Put some water to
Honey,
it.
come here.
Good. Come. Both hand. Both hand. Okay. Very good. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. 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 Wait. We'll put some water.
Come here.
Okay. Okay. Please stand. Come back. Come back. Stand here. Stand. Honey. Honey. Stand. Stand here. Shanvi. Stand there. Stand. Go to your place. Go to your place. Please go to your place. Go to your place, Prani. Okay. Listen, everybody. Listen. Lakshan, please come. Lakshan, come. Prani, Prani, come. We'll go. We'll go. Stand there.
Go and stand there.
Listen. Go there. Go there. Okay. Back to your place. Stand. Honey, listen. Listen. Now we have finished seeding. Okay. Okay. Now what will we get? We'll get a small baby plant out of it. What will come? Baby plant will come. What? Can you repeat? We'll get small baby plant. What will we get? Yes, we'll get baby plant. What? Yes, baby plant. And after that, it will grow into a little big plant. Okay? Okay, then we'll get flowers out of it. What will we get? Flowers. No, no, we'll get flowers. Okay, did you like it? Did you enjoy? Yes? So thank you. Thank you all. Okay, smile please. Smile. All of you smile. Honey, come to your line. Honey. Okay, children, bye. Say bye. Say bye. Laksha, Yahya. Yahya. Okay, so we finish with our gardening tour. Okay. Honey, say bye. Look in the camera. Say bye. Okay, please. Okay, ma'am. Bye. Bye. Okay.